Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon Solutions. This is the first video of a series I am doing showing the journey of a civil engineer, the software they use, and what services we offer in regards to these softwares. Today's video is on InfraWorks, which is conceptual design software which gives conceptual designs real-world context. This can be a very important bit of software when planning, as it can drive efficient decision making and you can spot issues early on, saving money and time. InfraWorks is a powerful software application designed to streamline infrastructure planning and design projects. It offers a range of tools and features that empower engineers, urban planners and designers to create, visualize and analyze 3D models of civil infrastructure projects. Let's explore the key features and benefits of InfraWorks. One of the standout features of InfraWorks is its model builder. By leveraging GIS data and other sources, InfraWorks can generate detailed 3D models of existing terrain, buildings and infrastructure elements. This capability provides a solid foundation for your design process. InfraWorks offers a comprehensive set of design tools tailored to infrastructure projects. With these tools, you can create roads, highways, bridges, and other infrastructure elements. Define alignments, profiles, cross-sections, and other parameters to precisely model your projects and bring your designs to life. Visualization is a key strength of InfraWorks. The software enables realistic visualizations of your infrastructure projects, helping stakeholders better understand the design and its impact on the environment. With InfraWorks, you can create high-quality visual presentations, apply realistic rendering techniques, and manipulate lighting conditions to enhance the visual impact of your designs. InfraWorks goes beyond visualization with its powerful analysis and simulation capabilities. The software allows you to assess the impact of your infrastructure design on factors such as traffic flow, drainage, and utility systems. You can simulate vehicle movements, pedestrian flow, and other dynamic elements, enabling you to optimize your designs and make informed decisions. Collaboration is essential in infrastructure projects, and InfraWorks excels in fostering collaboration and integration. The software enables team members to work on the same model simultaneously, improving coordination and reducing errors. Additionally, InfraWorks seamlessly integrates with other Autodesk software such as AutoCAD and Civil 3D, ensuring smooth data exchange throughout the design and construction workflow. Now, let's explore some of the benefits of InfraWorks. Time and cost savings are significant advantages of using InfraWorks. The software's powerful tools and automation features streamline the planning and design process, enabling rapid iteration, efficient decision-making, and optimized project outcomes. With InfraWorks, you can save valuable time and reduce overall project costs. Enhanced collaboration is another benefit of InfraWorks. By providing a collaborative and interactive environment, the software fosters better coordination among project stakeholders, leading to improved communication, reduced errors, and a shared understanding of the project vision. InfraWorks helps stakeholders make informed decisions through its visualization and simulation capabilities. Realistic visualizations allow users to assess the visual impact of their designs on the environment, while simulations enable the analysis of different scenarios for optimized designs and better project outcomes. Effective communication with stakeholders is crucial in infrastructure projects, and InfraWorks facilitates this process. The software generates compelling visual presentations and renders, making it easier to convey project concepts and designs. This improves stakeholder engagement and ensures a shared vision of the project's goals and objectives. InfraWorks embraces a data-driven design approach by integrating various data sources, ensuring that designs are based on accurate and up-to-date information. This approach allows for the exploration of different design alternatives and the evaluation of their impact on the project, resulting in well-informed decision-making. InfraWorks enables project visualization at multiple scales, from an overall city or regional view down to a detailed street-level view. This capability is particularly valuable for urban planning projects, where understanding the interaction of infrastructure elements within the broader context is essential. InfraWorks provides tools and capabilities to help comply with various regulations and standards. Users can evaluate their designs against specific guidelines, ensuring that their infrastructure projects meet necessary compliance standards. Lastly, InfraWorks seamlessly integrates with other softwares such as AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and Revit. This interoperability allows for smooth data exchange between different software applications, streamlining the design and construction workflow. InfraWorks offers a comprehensive set of features and benefits that streamline the infrastructure planning and design process. From generating accurate 3D models to facilitating collaboration, visualization, and analysis, InfraWorks empowers professionals to make informed decisions, optimize designs, and deliver successful infrastructure projects. Here at Pentagon, we offer training in InfraWorks, which is a 3-day course that gains you professional competence in this piece of software. It will enhance your efficiency and improve design quality. Completing this training course also allows faster collaboration, communicate effectively, and stay relevant in the rapidly evolving infrastructure industry. Embrace the power of InfraWorks and unlock your full potential in infrastructure planning and design. Furthermore, we have offered services to our customers such as a turnstile supplier in the past for InfraWorks using mobility simulation to validate and optimize the performance of turnstiles in real-life scenarios. By accurately replicating the dynamics of pedestrian movement and interaction, we are able to observe and analyze the system's behavior, identifying potential bottlenecks, congestion points, or any operational inefficiencies. Through this simulation, the customer gained valuable insights into the functionality and usability of their designs. They could observe how different factors such as varying pedestrian volumes, different entry and exit configurations, or adjustments in turnstile settings impact the overall flow and user experience. By running multiple simulations with different parameters, our customer would explore various what-if scenarios and assess the effectiveness of different solutions in addressing the identified issues. So, this concludes today's video on InfraWorks in our video series Journey of a Civil Engineer. Please tune in next week for my video on Civil 3D. InfraWorks and Civil 3D are very closely linked, as you can do your concept design in InfraWorks and export to Civil 3D to be able to do your detailed design. We offer a lot of services on this front as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with any of our new videos. Please also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.